Next, let us take some different types of problems. Once again, let me categorize them. First type, chain rule. Inside that one, just this one is for your understanding, remember, it is not there in any of the textbooks. For your reference, chain rule inside sum or difference. Chain rule inside that sum or difference, this type. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Y equal to chain rule inside that this one. Sine of 5x square plus 2 root x minus, and let me take one more, minus 11, enough. See, sine of sum or difference, I have taken both, sum as well as difference I have taken. Sine function, inside that we have sum and difference function. Method is the same. Y equal to sine outermost function. After that, whatever may be the function, write it as t. T equal to 5x square plus 2 root x minus 11. dy by dt cos t. dy by dt is cos t. dt by dx, shall I write directly? Derivative. 5 into 2x, 10x. 2 into 1 by 2 root x, 2 by 2 root x. Minus derivative of 11, 0. Or it is 10x plus 1 by root x, 2 cancels. Chain rule, inside that we have sum and difference. dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx, or cos t into 10x plus 1 by root x. Final answer, cos of t is 5x square plus 2 root x minus 11 into 10x plus 1 by root x over chain rule. Inside that we have sum or difference. Let me take 2 examples for every type. First type, example second, y equal to root of chain rule in which sum or difference, shall I give root of 8 tan x minus 3x cube plus 1, enough. Totally example is of chain rule inside that sum or difference. Difference, next plus 1 I have taken, whatever may be. But chain rule inside the root function. Y equal to root t. Just see here, whatever function inside the square root, it is taken as t. Where t equal to 8 tan x minus 3x cube plus 1. dy by dt 1 by 2 root t, derivative of root 1 by 2 root t. dt by dx, shall I write the derivative directly? 8 into secant square x 3 into 3x square plus 0. Now, chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by dt, dt by dx, or dy by dt dy by dt 1 by 2 root t dt by dx 8 secant square x minus 9x square, or 8 secant square x minus 9x square divided by 2 root t is 8 tan x minus 3x cube plus 1. Outermost function here is square root. Square root of whatever may be the function, it is t. But that t is sum and difference of certain functions. Same thing we are taking. Chain rule, inside that sum or difference. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. Or let me take another one. Total, after completing all the types, let us take more and more examples. So, second type is chain rule, inside that product. Note the type of the problem correctly. Here, chain rule, inside that we have sum or difference. Now, chain rule, but inside that we have product. Find dy by dx. Y equal to cos of, see, chain rule, cos of, inside that product should be given, x square into tan x. Cos of x square into tan x. Y equal to cos of whatever may be the function inside. This actually x square into tan x is a product, remember. It is inside the function cos, that's all. Cos of t, where t equal to x square into tan x. That you have tried to both functions. In the previous case you have written sum or difference, no? Now you have to write the product as a t. Dy by dt minus sin t. Dt by dx. Now it is product formula. How to find derivative of x square into tan x? D by dx of the first function into tan x as it is, x square as it is, d by dx of tan x. Product formula studied in first year. Or it is 2x tan x plus x square into secant square x. This is the derivative. Derivative of the product is this one. Now chain rule. Dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Dy by dt into dt by dx. Dy by dt minus sin t into dt by dx 2x tan x plus x square secant square x. Our final answer is sin of t x square into tan x into 2x tan x plus x square secant square x over. See, chain rule inside that product. outermost function cos, but inside that one, don't think that it is the product of three functions. Cos into x square into tan x, not like that. It is cos of, inside that we have product. Second one, y equal to root, you may do like that, product, or let us apply this type of function itself, root x into secant x. Root x into secant x whole to the power 3 by 2. Whole to the power is the outermost function. Inside that we have product. See? Just similar to that one. Y equal to t to the power 3 by 2, where t equal to root x into secant x. dy by dt is n into t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, half. 3 by 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, it is this. dt by dx is product formula. Derivative of the first function into second as it is root x into d by dx of secant x. Or it is 1 by 2 root x secant x root x secant x tan x. Write the derivative correctly. Now, chain rule. dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Or it is 3 by 2 t to the power half into secant x divided by 2 root x plus root x secant x tan x. Need not simplify the function, write the answer correctly, that's all. 3 by 2 into to the power half can be written as root. T is root x secant x. Root x secant x into secant x by 2 root x plus root x secant x tan x. Anyway, this one is an example for chain rule. Inside that one we have product. I have taken 2 examples. Let us take more and more example after completing all the types. Still 3 more types we have to go. Chain rule, but there are different types, that's all. First one is chain rule. Inside that one we have some more difference. Now this one is chain rule. Inside that we have product of 2 functions. Now let me come to the third type. Chain rule. Inside that one we have quotient. Chain rule, but inside that we have ratio, quotient. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. First one, y equal to, carefully note this, cot of root x by which one? Sin x, let me give. Total it should be a quotient, that's all. Root x divided by sin x. Cot of root x by sin x means you have to write like this. Cot t equal to root x by sin x. Different types of problems. Dy by dt is minus cosecant square t. Derivative of cot cosecant square t. dt by dx quotient formula. D by dx of root x into sin x minus root x into d by dx of sin x divided by square of the denominator. Or it is, let me simplify this first. 1 by 2 root x sin x root x cos x divided by sin x whole square over. Now come back to the chain rule. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Or it is minus cosecant square t into sin x by 2 root x minus root x cos x by sin square x. Rewrite the value of t, that's all. Cosecant square, don't write t. It is root x by sin x. Cosecant square t. Up to here it is over. Write the function inside the bracket as it is. No change. Only you have to write t. That one is written. Yes. This is the derivative. See? Again go back. Chain rule inside that quotient. Cot whatever may be the function quotient, it is t. T equal to root x by sin x. Derivative of this y with respect to t directly write the formula. But here apply quotient formula to find the derivative. Quotient formula. Derivative of the numerator, denominator as it is. Numerator into derivative of the denominator by square of the denominator. Not more, you need not simplify it, write as it is, derivative. Now, last step is replacing t by the function. Itself is the answer. Problem number second one. Let me take this. Y equal to root of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Any number of problems can be given. Totally it should be chain rule for root inside that quotient, that's all. Such a type of problem. Y equal to root of t. T equal to 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Dy by dt. Dy by dt. One by 2 root t. dt by dx quotient formula. D by dx of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x minus 1 plus sin x into d by dx of 1 minus sin x by square of the denominator, or it is 0 cos x 1 minus sin x, as it is 0 cos x 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x whole square. Or this can be simplified. See, cos x outside 1 minus sin x minus 1 plus sin x, remove the bracket, divided by 1 minus sin x whole square. So that you can cancel this minus 1 minus of minus plus, yes. So it is equal to, or dy by what is it? dt by dx, no? Equal to cos x into 2. 2 cos x divided by 1 minus sin x whole square. Now come back to the derivative dy by dx. dy by dt into dt by dx. dy by dt is 1 by 2 root t. dt by dx is 2 cos x divided by 1 minus sin x whole square. No doubt you can cancel this too. Cos x divided by root t. T is 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. 1 by root t into 1 minus sin x whole square. Leave this answer as it is. No more simplification. This can be taken to the numerator. That if the question is show that, then only you have to do, otherwise derivative is over, enough. Chain rule, inside that we have quotient formula, u by v formula. Write all the steps clearly without making any mistake. Yes, next, type number fourth one. Product formula. Inside that we have chain rule. Product formula, inside that chain rule. Previous one chain rule, inside that we have product. Just let me give the example. Find dy by dx. First one is y equal to sin x square into sin square x. Careful. Very, very careful. See. Actually it is product. Sin x square into sin square x. Product of two function. But in order to find the derivative of the first function, we need chain rule. In order to find derivative of the second function, we need chain rule. Y equal to sin x square is of the form u into v. U equal to sin x square. V equal to sin square x, or sin square x is nothing but sin x whole square. U equal to sin t, see it is chain rule, t equal to x square. Let me finish this one first. Du by dt cos t, dt by dx 2x, or du by dx equal to du by dt into dt by dx, or cos t into 2x, or let me write here du by dx cos x square into 2x. Similarly, let me finish this one. V equal to t square. Don't confuse with t once again here. In the same problem, let me take some other thing. Theta square, where theta is sin x. If you take a t only, then you are confusing with this t and this t. Let us take separate notation. Now, derivative of that, dv by d theta is 2 into theta, d theta by dx is cos x. dv by dx equal to dv by d theta into d theta by dx. Let me write here dv by dx equal to dv by d theta 2 theta d theta by dx cos x, or 2 into theta is sin x into cos x. Once again it is sin 2x. Now the last part is dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to du by dx into v plus u into dv by dx, or du by dx 2x into cos x square into v sin square x plus u into sin x square dv by dx sin 2x over product formula. Before that you have to apply the chain rule and find the individual derivatives. Separately you have to find the du by dx and dv by dx. Then apply the answer in this. It is a product inside that chain rule type.